looks up and says, how can be this place? This is my temporary home, and where I belong. With those that knows that I'm passing through, this was just a stop. She's looking for a job, looking for a way out, 'cause a halfway house will never be home. At night she whispers to her baby girl, someday we'll find a place here in this world. This is a temporary home, not where we belong. Well, those that knows that we're passing through, this was just a stop on the way to where we're going. I'm not afraid because I know this was our temporary home. Hospital bed, room is filled with people we love, and whispers don't cry.